Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Prism White that my wife got to make it an easier life. So we're gonna review the experience of unboxing this piece of hardware. And as you can see, this comes in a box, so we can go ahead and unbox it. I think that there is a pull tab here. Yeah, there should be at least. Something. Okay. I'll be damned. It wasn't so pull tabby after all. You have to be careful because it could break. Okay. Now we have it all opened. We can just slide it right down, I think. Yeah, you should be able to. Gotta get a hold of some. No, my bad. There's more tape here. I wonder if there's a pull tab on this one. Oh, I think I will use a knife that I got from my wife, who is filming this. Okay, so trying with a knife to get the tape. Now it should be easier. Yep. Things are moving. Better put this on the floor so that we don't break stuff. Oh yes. It's out of the box. And in here we have the manual or something. You hear that there's stuff, but it won't. It's not gonna. Well, I guess we'll never know what's in here because it's not. It isn't coming out. Oh, okay. I found it. In here is emptiness. There's nothing in there. And here on the other hand is, oh, it's your standard SIM tool key type thing that you use to get your SIM card in and out. And then, oh, there's the charger. But the cord is missing. It didn't come with a cord, I guess. Okay, and we will. This is an adapter, very similar unboxing experience to the S7. Here is the actual phone. You can see it's only white on the back. Because on these models the screen covers the entire front, so the front can't really have a color. There's the 3 cameras here, and yeah, that is the actual phone. And here we have some box of some sort with some stuff in it, I think. Yeah, this is the charger cord, USB type C type thing. Don't do that, that's not very nice. And here is headphones. And that's it. That is the entire experience of unboxing the Galaxy S10 Plus Prism White. I would say I would have to give it a 7, probably, because it's a bit confusing at first. It is confusing when you don't have, I mean, you think that there's one piece of tape with the pull tab like on the S7, but then they went ahead and put like 2 pull tabs around it. But other than that, no, nothing tricky about unboxing it. Pleasant experiences. Got that nice new electronic smell. So yeah, 7 out of 10, and that will be that for this one. And if you like 8-bit music, I do make that sort of stuff, so I've put a link in the video description. Check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about the video, spread the word everywhere, and so on and so forth. See you next time. Bye.